Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating every tier and deciding whether to patch or splice. Mark each hole so you won't miss any. Once marked, cut away loose fibers and tie a temporary overhand knot to stabilize the surrounding mesh. Make sure your nylon thread and net needle are ready. Use a patch piece slightly larger than the hole so you can weave beyond damaged fibers and restore strength rather than just cover a gap. Begin by placing the patch with about 1/2 inch overlap and aligning the mesh pattern so lines run the same way. This reduces snagging and preserves cast behavior. Thread the needle and take small, consistent stitches. Use a whip stitch for quick coverage or ladder stitch for strength. Keep stitches snug but not cinched. Excessive tension shrinks mesh and distorts weight distribution. Once sewn, double stitch the first and last 3 passes, then finish with a secure reef knot and trim excess. After sewing, melt the thread ends with a lighter just until they fuse. Don't burn the net. That seals knots and prevents slippage. Lay the net flat and apply a steady pull to the repaired area, then test in water if possible to confirm cast balance and catch behavior. If you notice puckering, weak spots, or line gaps, reopen those stitches and add a secondary patch or increase stitch density. This troubleshooting saves time and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.